too much inside baseball. I love talking about the inside baseball of math and academia. So let's talk about how professors choose their books. Sometimes we use a book because that's the one we use to learn the material from as an undergrad or as a graduate student. And we know the book from cover to cover, and we really like it. It really worked for us, so we think it should work for most of the students. For example, that's the case with abstract algebra, graduate level abstract algebra. Many of us learned from Dammit and Foote, and many universities, at least in the US, use Dammit and Foote for their graduate level abstract algebra. But many of us are also aware of the price of books, and we try to avoid books that are just way too expensive or that are hard to find. So for example, with Dammit and Foote, I tell my students that they can use the 3rd edition, but they can also just buy the 2nd edition and find some cheap used copy of the 2nd edition, and that's fine too. And if there is a good option that is available online, then I will use that book. That is the case for the undergraduate abstract algebra course. I use this book by Judson, which is freely available. He has a free copy on his website, or you can buy a nice edition very cheaply online. Also, a very common conversation among mathematicians is, what are you teaching this semester? Oh, you're teaching algebra? What book are you using? Oh, are you using Judson? How do you like Judson? We learn a lot from each other by talking about our experiences with books, our students' experiences with books, and how that goes. That is actually how I learned about Judson. Somebody else, I forget who, told me about this book, and then I tried it, and I love it. I think it's a very good option that is free online, so why not? So let me know in the comments, what are your favorite books in algebra and analysis, and why?